Hello everyone, welcome to my course. I am Amit. In this video, we will going to see about the NumPy library in Python, how to work with the NumPy, what are the different functions available in the NumPy, what is the use of the NumPy. NumPy is usually used to handle the array numeric data in a Python. So this NumPy is used to hold a group of a data. There are some functions and available in this NumPy. With the help of that, you can save the data in the form of matrix array, and it can make your task easier to process the group of a data. So NumPy will help you to create an array, and it provide a lot of supporting function to create an ND array. ND array in the sense n dimension array, one dimension, two dimension, and that this NumPy is very useful in data science, data analysis, and in many applications where we need to work on the set of data. So in order to start with, you need to install this NumPy library. How you can install it? You just need to type pip install NumPy. I'm using this Colab. So here you need to write it this exclamatory sign pip install NumPy. As I have already installed, that's why it is showing me requirement already satisfied. Now, but I will going to run this and I will going to show you. So you see it has installed it, and it is showing that it is already satisfied, means it is already installed and the version is 1.919.5. Now in order to use this, you need to write import NumPy, and you can use both. You can either use it similarly import NumPy as NumPy, or you can use it import NumPy as NP. Both are valid. And let's run this. This is a short name. If you want to use the complete NumPy, that is also valid, and if you want to use NP, that is also valid. So here I'm trying to convert the list. List is in a data structure in a Python. There are different kind of data structure in there in the Python. So with the help of this list, here what I need to use it here, I'm with the help of this NumPy, I'm converting this list into array. And how we are going to do that? Here I have taken one variable list. Here I have saved this element. Let's take some more element. And here, in order to convert it, we just need to write np.array function. As you can see, I have taken L is equal to np.array, and I am passing here the list variable. Now I will going to run this. So when you just pass this variable name, it will going to print it. You can write it in this way also. You can write it like println and run it. Both will give the same output. It will also do the same. It will also do the same. So you can do any of this. You can use it. Now once you convert it, now suppose you want to save other data on the array. How you can do it? In first step, we have seen how to convert the list into the array. Here we have seen how to convert the list into array. Now here we will going to see how you can create an array with the help of NumPy. So let's run this. So as you see, when I run this, what you need to do it, you need to just write np.array. Now it might be a question coming into your mind, why I'm using np. The reason why I'm using np here, because I have declared import numpy as np. So here if you declare import numpy as numpy, then you can use direct numpy. I am using the short name so that it will be easy to run the code. So that's why I've written np.array. When you put the cursor here, they will suggest you also that np.array is your an array object which is used to hold a homogeneous data item, and it is used to perform computation fast over an array. So this numpy is used to convert this into the array. Once you get this, Suppose you want to create a multi-dimension array, how you are going to do that? You just need to write np.array, and in the square bracket you need to take one row. Each square bracket value will be considered as a row here. As you see here, when I am creating it, let me add one more square bracket. Take a value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here you can see it as I'm running here. When I create this multiple cell, so as you see that here, when I create another square bracket and I save a value, let me run this whether it is giving you output or what. So see here, I have created one more row here. So in order to add a row multi-dimension array, how you can do it? You just need to enter a value in the square bracket and then close it by another square bracket. Means the syntax will be something like this. Suppose a is equal to np dot array, and you want to create a new array. How you're going to do that? In square bracket, you will take an element like 1 2 3. So it is one row of that. If you want to add one more row, how you're going to do that? You need to take a comma, another square bracket you need to take it, 4 5 6. But this two square bracket you need to close it another one square bracket, as you can see I'm doing here. Okay, let's remove this and print this. So you see here, I have created an array, and when I print it, it is showing you. So in this, we have seen that how you create a multi-dimension array. In my next video, I will going to show you how you can perform further operation on an array. Till then, bye.